Rodney, again, we're here because we want to say, you said, Kits is a family. My notes, I have Celtx family congratulates you, because that's how we feel, because we really want to arm you with even more tools to make the best use of opportunities you have, like Kits and like everything that all the support that you have around you and all the great people that you have around you who are building up you and building up what you're producing and everything. We've got a 1-year subscription for Celtx that we want to extend to you so that you can keep on using it. And because we really, really, really want to make sure that you have the tools that you need to do the most that you can do, to do the best writing and do the best work you can do, we're also going to send you a Chromebook from Celtx so that you can write.
What?
Martin's going to help us get it to you.
Wow, seriously, thank you. I already told Martin I have so many things I want to write right now. Like, seriously, I'm writing another movie I want to write, so this program is really going to help me. So really, thank you.
You're really talented and you have lots to offer. So we really look forward to seeing what you're going to do next.
Real quick, Rodney, do you know what a Chromebook is?
No, I don't know what the Chromebook is. I think it's a Chrome, the color Chrome in a book. So I think it's gonna be they're gonna send that to me.
It's a laptop. We're gonna send you a laptop.
Oh, it's a laptop. Oh, Marta, I didn't know it was a laptop. I thought it was a Google book.
Because how have you been writing? Tell them how you've been writing right now, Rodney. How you've been using Celtx.
Been using it on my phone.
Which is obviously working for you.
Yeah, I mean, we're so excited to share your story. Please let us know when the script is ready, when the film is ready, and how we can help share your story to our community and to the global community.
Thank you so much, and I'll make sure to send you guys a copy of Bully within the next few weeks after it's finally tightened and wrapped up. We're so close.
Amazing. So excited.
Thank you guys once again.
Congrats, Rodney. Thank you, Martin and Nicole. Thank you so much.
Thanks, everyone. Congratulations, Rodney. We're so stoked for you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.